Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vsco Mariah. For those tuning in for the first time, I welcome you to my dysfunctional channel. And for those returning, hey sis, how you been? So I am here to film this highly requested video for my Instagram. I did a poll on Instagram for this video, got 270 yeses and a couple no's, but we ain't listening to the haters. So today's video, I'm showing you how to go from taking your video selfies, screenshots to actual HD photos. I think I'm not the only one that is having a hard time since the selfie times to actually take a selfie. So what I do is I record a video or a boomerang and just screenshot the frames that I like to use for an actual selfie. But a lot of times when you screenshot something, it looks kind of blurry because you're kind of like, you know, slowing it down. But I'm here to show y'all how to take those screenshots from, you know, blurry to HD. So tune in if you're interested in how to learn how to go from selfie blah to selfie yeah. Tune in, okay? Be right back. 3 apps that you're gonna need to use for this tutorial video, whatever. One of them is actually crucial to have, and 2 of them are just things that I do for extra, you know, extraness. But the first app we're gonna need is going to call Remini. I think it's how it's pronounced. It's R-E-M-I-N-I, and you can find that in the Apple and Android app stores. So that's the app you can actually use to help yourself get that HD picture. And then I also use Visco. That's a very old app that everyone I think should know about it. If not, Visco is spelled V-S-C-O, also available in both Android and iPhone app stores. Last but not least, you're gonna need Facetune, either Facetune 1 or Facetune 2. I have both Facetunes, but I majority use Facetune 2, so that's what I'm using today is Facetune 2. I don't really use much of Facetune. I just use it in case, like, you'll see why I use it. Okay, step number 1, which is probably the hardest part of the whole entire thing, is getting the right selfie video. So you go ahead, pause this video, take a selfie video, and then come right back. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, hold on. So when that's over, you're gonna actually go into your camera roll and choose a photo that you actually like. So I'll go through my videos and see, okay, this one's cute, this one's cute, this one's cute too. But I like this video. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna hit the pause button and then like scroll through. You can see what I'm doing on my phone. And then scroll through to find the perfect, you know, selfie in there. I think I like this one. So you're gonna just pause it, you're gonna screenshot it. You can screenshot more than one that you like. I like this one also. So I'm gonna screenshot that one. And then see what else I like. I like anything else. The other screenshots are gonna go into Remini. Takes a little bit of time for it to load, so just wait for it. So with this app, there is a fee feature. The free ones, you have to like watch an ad to get your edit after, or you can pay like I think it's like $2.99 a month to have unlimited and without the ads. But you know, it's your choice. I don't pay for it. I just be patient and I just wait for it to load. So you're gonna go to the enhance button. You're gonna click the selfie that you want. We're gonna click this one. It'll pop up. Click the check mark. Then you wait for it to create the task. It'll do the 30-second, 15-second, whatever ad. So I'm gonna click X. Sim. Now it's going to turn your picture to HD. So it has a little slider that you guys can see the before and after. This is the before, how it looks. This is the after. You can tell the difference. You can click here. This one, you can see the difference. How it was blurry and then now it's like perfect. You see that? So yeah, so they're going to save it. And it's, oh no, make sure you click the right thing. Save it. Okay, next thing you're going to do, you're going to go into Facetune. So the reason why I go into Facetune is because, it's an old picture, recent, this one. Because if my laces are ever showing, I will always, right now it's not showing, I did my install perfectly. So in case sometimes my lace is showing or whatever, I got to fix some blemishes, I will just zoom into where my hairline is, and I go to retouch. and I go to heal and I'll fix that. But I don't really have to today, but just in case your lace is showing or it's like an old install, you need to fix anything, like you need to remove any stray hairs or anything, Facetune can do that. And I'll share a tutorial how to do that, but that's not the main focus of this video. So if you want to learn how to remove things like stray hairs or like backgrounds, I'll teach y'all that at a different time. But yeah, Facetune, I only use Facetune if my lace is looking crazy. My lace is looking like peekaboo, I go to Facetune, I fix that shit, because who wants to be embarrassed on Instagram? You know, because y'all mean. Instagram is a mean place, so I rather try to fix that shit before I get bullied, you know. Anyways, and then after Facetune, I go into Visco. So the reason why I go into Visco is because sometimes with the Remini app, the edits are too sharp. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it looks too fake. So I go into Facetune, I go into Visco so I can like tone that down a little bit so it looks less, you know, fake. So I like to do is I like to go in with exposure. Put the exposure down a little bit. Go into contrast, put that up a little bit, give me a little nice glowy look. And then what I like to do when it looks too thick is go into grain. This one looks great. This is a great photo, so I can't really show y'all how to fix it because I'm not going to take a bad picture on purpose. Just kidding. But yeah, so I'll go into grains, add a little grain to it just so it looks less like, I don't know, fake. But you can add it if you like. You don't have to, but I do like the grain feature when it comes to Selfie. It makes it look, you know, nostalgic. But yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of grain on it. I'm going to see it to my camera roll. So here is the final product of the picture. So you went from this kind of, you know, blurry, grainy video picture screenshot to this HD looking like you took it from your front camera picture. Bad bitch say hey. So yeah, I hope that helped. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up on Instagram. I can go into more of a depth for that case I was too fast, but it's very straightforward. You just upload a picture, click Remini, it does all the work for you, and then that's it. That's it, sis. You don't gotta do too much. You're gonna work too hard to get that nice photo. So if you're into video selfies and want to take screenshots, this is my way of doing it. I don't know, it ain't the only way to do stuff like that, but it's how I like to do it because I hate when it looks like a screenshot, even though it is. But you get what I mean. But I hope you all enjoyed this video today. I hope to see you all in my next video coming really soon. I'm going to be teaching y'all how I travel and how I plan trips and all that fun stuff. But I want to get that video to make sure it's very much organized, so I've been working on a script for that. But I will be back. I can't tell y'all when. I don't have to promise you that's not going to happen. But I do love y'all. Hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.